So today we are going to be making
lava a lava and it's volcano.
Yep.
We got this, and we got a plate we put on here, so just in case it don't fall on the floor and make lava.
Yeah, so we're making a volcanic eruption, and like I said, we're going to be making, the experiment. Today we have our volcano model.
We got so we can know, and we already did it.
Yep, and this science kit was a gift from one of Araya's aunts, and it is called 50 Plus Science Experiment Kit.
Yeah, and guys, this is the hookup, and this is the stuff that you stir, and this is the measure.
Yes.
And
okay. So let's tell them the name of it. So this is the volcano model.
Yeah.
This is the stirring rod. This is the measuring spoon. This is 2 milliliters. We have 100 milliliters right here in our measuring cup that Araya got for us. We have some baking soda.
Yeah, and we got this red thing to put in the volcano. What's this called?
Red dye.
This is red dye.
And this is...
So just be careful and ask your parents if you can do this. And where did they get this from?
And, well, this is, I think maybe from Amazon, but it's called 50 Plus Science Experiments
So
Kit.
this is from Amazon. So if you want to get it from Amazon, go there. And
yeah, and we also have citric acid, and then we have some gold, what do they call it? Golden paper.
Golden here.
Yeah, golden paper. We have it in that bag as well. And we have our clear plastic tube. These are all the instructions that it gave us right here.
It came with the box.
Yes. This is our experiments manual. So whatever experiment you would like to do, you can just flip through it and you can choose which one you would like to do. We did our lesson time today, then after Araya wanted to do the volcano. Actually, she's wanted to do it since like yesterday, but we already did an experiment yesterday, so she had to wait a little bit. No, it wasn't yesterday, it was 2 days ago on her birthday party day when she first got it.
And so we did on my birthday party day, and now we're doing it today.
Yeah.
That was kind of quick.
That
was kind of quick.
It was kind of quick.
Yeah,
so
and we got this book, and remember that. Get this from Amazon. It came with the box.
Yeah, it came exactly with the box. So right here, I just want to show you all. It has a description of the scientific principle that will be applied during this experiment, and then it has the steps that we will be following to make the experiment go. So first, some background information is a volcanic eruption is when the Earth's interior is filled with hot magma and expanding bubbles. Under extreme pressure, the magma breaks through the crust from a weak point and gushes out, causing a volcanic eruption. The baking soda in the experiment is alkaline. Can you hold up the baking soda for them? And the citric acid, hence the name citric acid, is acidic.
It's the same.
Yeah, well, they look the same, but they're kind of opposites. And the two react together to produce large amounts of gas and bubbles, giving off heat and producing the eruption. So now we're going to go ahead with the first step.
Just remember, it's here if you'll need it.
Yeah. So the first step says to prepare a measuring cup and pour 100 milliliters of water and 5 drops of red pigment and mix well. So Araya got us our 100 milliliters of water. So now we're going to do our 5 drops of red pigment. So we just got to be careful with this red pigment, Araya, so we do not mess up our clothes, okay?
Okay.
Would you like to do the honors? Just 5 little drops.
Here? Okay. Wait, how many again? 5 little drops.
5. Count. 1. Oh, that's too much. Okay.
That's enough.
That was probably like, that honestly was probably like 5, but like, do like just squeeze it a little bit. But if it goes up. 2.
3.
Look, 3. Look, that was 4.
3.
This is 5. Since we did a whole bunch accidentally at first, we're just gonna round it
Yeah,
up.
we're doing it today.
It's
So
okay.
do we mix it now?
Yes, ma'am. You
Okay,
stir it
son.
together. And Araya wanted me to wear these glasses, but honestly, I feel a little dizzy. I'm going to take them off. But you always want to protect your eyes when you're doing science experiments.
But you're the one who was having it. You should just.
I was like, did I get some on my shirt? I didn't know.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you done stirring?
No, not done. How long will you need to mix it? Look on it.
It doesn't say how long. It just says mix well. So, I guess until you think it's well, until it's all evenly dispersed.
No.
Okay.
Good. So go.
Oh, it's okay. All right. So
But
next we're
this
going to use the measuring spoon, and it says it's kind of worded weird, but this is what it says. It says use a measuring spoon, 3 spoonfuls each of citric acid as well as baking soda, a little golden paper, and place in the volcanic model. So we're going to go ahead and get 3 spoonfuls first. I'm going to do the citric acid, and I'm going to have Araya do the baking soda. So let me start.
Is that the baking soda?
This is the citric acid.
But I'm going to do that, the baking
Hold on,
soda.
citric acid.
Yeah.
It looks like it's backwards on here.
Yeah.
Probably because I'm using my front facing camera, recording on my iPhone. Alright. So we're gonna have to make sure we clean this table really good before we eat another meal here.
Yeah. What makes those like that?
Alright,
Guys.
so I opened it up.
So guys, you're gonna want to see what it looks like. You just don't really want to.
This is what it looks like. Kind of looks like salt, but it's not. So you don't want to eat this.
Yeah.
I said 3 spoonfuls. Okay, I mean, I feel like that's a lot. I'd be trying to save.
That's
2.
not a lot. That's
Yeah.
not even a
But
lot.
thinking about like if it was like seasoning or if it was salt, that would be a lot. So it just
Yeah.
seems like a lot to me. But all right, that was the citric acid. Now
But
I'm
it
gonna have
looks
a
like some
Raya.
guys.
Yeah, but it's not. So we
You need this?
don't want to eat nothing.
Yeah, we don't eat it.
Okay, now baking soda. Now Araya's gonna do 3 spoonfuls of
I'm
baking
Araya.
soda.
Raya. Raya.
They said you want Araya?
I am Raya.
You are.
Oh, why is it so hard?
You can break it up a little bit with the spoon.
And here?
Yeah. So how many? 1.
3.
2.
No, that's so nice.
Good job. She knows.
There. Let's just slide out a little bit. I want to.
3. Okay, so she's just finding out. As you can see right here, you can see. I feel like this is gonna bubble, bubble, bubble.
Y'all could kind of see it a little bit.
Can I put this hat back on?
Yep.
Alright. So now we're gonna go ahead and put that stuff down.
Oh,
Now we need a little bit of golden paper. It called for.
oh.
Would you like to put the golden paper in there?
Yeah, but still little. Okay. My paper is going to do it all over.
So make sure this is dry because we're about to stir it. I don't want the
Mommy,
water on it.
it's a big star. I'm going to use this, guys.
Alright, let's see how we're going to get it out.
I'm doing it with my finger.
Alright,
Guys.
so while Aria's getting this last star out, next step,
This
step
is so
3.
big, guys. This is so big.
It is. So step 3, the third and final step, says to insert the clear, this is right here, the clear plastic tube in the crater. Pour the prepared red pigment water into the crater. At this point, you can observe the effect of the volcanic eruption. So I mean, first, do we have to stir this up?
I think.
Okay, I'm gonna do this way. I feel like we don't have to. I feel like it makes sense. Alright, so now it says to
Let me do it.
insert the clear plastic tube. Alright, now here's for the fun part. Now, alright, so we're gonna pour the prepared red pigment water into the crater.
Wait, Mama, let me do it.
Okay, we're both gonna do it.
Okay.
Here we go.
Here we go. Wait, I want more.
And there you have it. That is our volcanic eruption.